Let's be honest, the Ford Raptor is pretty expensive, but if you have a four-door Bronco, you can add some of that Raptor flair to it by installing these Ford Performance door sill plates. So like I said, the Ford Raptor can be pretty pricey and it's not in most people's budgets, including mine. So luckily, Ford actually offers some of the parts that come on the Raptor from factory for you to be able to purchase for your Ford Bronco. Now, for example, I have one of those parts in front of me. These are going to be the Ford Performance door sill plates, and these are only going to be available for the 21 and up four-door model Broncos. Now, if you're not familiar with your Bronco yet, I actually pulled out one of the factory door sill plates so you can see the difference. As you can see, the factory one is plain, it's black, it doesn't really have a lot going on for it, and it's pretty boring to be completely honest. Versus our Ford Performance door sill plate, which as you can see has this metal inline in it, and then the Ford Performance logo. Now, as far as installing these, it's probably the easiest install that I'm gonna have on this channel. So let's go ahead, hop in the Bronco, and I'll show you exactly how I removed the factory one, and I'll show you how to install our new ones. So like I said before, this is probably gonna be the easiest install on this channel to date. All we simply have to do is go ahead and come over to the driver's side piece here, and then just simply put your fingers under here and just pop it up carefully. Everything's just held in by clips. Once that old one is out, grab your new one. Get it lined up. Once it's lined up, push down. And there you go, Ford Performance door sill plates installed into your Bronco. Well, after you are done with this painful install on the driver's side, go ahead and repeat the exact same process on the passenger side. Well, we're all wrapped up with the install, and like I said in the beginning, this is definitely the easiest install we're ever gonna have on this channel. I mean, if you give yourself maybe a minute, 2 minutes tops, you'll be able to change out these door sill plates with no problems at all. I will say, once you open up the door to the Bronco, the door sill plates look very nice inside of there, and it really adds a nice Raptor flair to the interior without actually having the price tag of a Raptor. Now, if you'd like to purchase these door sill plates, just click the link down below in our description. It is time to drop a gear and disappear. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, if you need any off-road parts, just click the link down below in our description.